subscribers, they will tell you how you can easily fix your problem. So if you receive on Facebook problem and an unexpected error occurred, so how you can fix it? So first thing you need to just try to close your Facebook app and open it again, and if it doesn't help you, you need to check your internet connection. So just go to the settings. If you're using Wi-Fi, just try to turn off Wi-Fi and turn it on again, and if you're using mobile data, just turn off mobile data and turn on again. Also, just turn on airplane mode, wait a second, and just turn it off. So after, just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds, and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. Also, you can try to check updates for your iPhone. So just go to the general. In the general, you need to open software update and just wait until it will check for updates. And if you see here available update, just tap on download and install, and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. After, you just need to check updates for your Facebook. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab. In search tab, just write Facebook, and after you will see here Facebook, just tap on update if you see here not open but update, and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your Facebook. And if it doesn't help you, just try to remove app and just from App Store install it again. So this is the way how you can also fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.